Welcome to the Technology Inspiration Playlist. These short segments were originally presented live by the RECIT for vocational training during the Voc Talk Café, an informal weekly online professional development gathering for VT educators in Quebec. Each video explores a pedagogical strategy enhanced by a digital tool, offering practical ideas that can be applied across various programs. In just a few minutes, these insights aim to inspire creativity and support innovative teaching practices.
As educators, we're often told to do formative evaluation for very true reasons. In fact, we need to get the students used to the exam environment. We need to identify learning gaps early. We talked a lot about those in the conversation before. Getting students to practice retrieving on a neurological level, retrieving information from their long-term memory and bring it back so they can use it. And it's also a great opportunity for formal feedback also. So, but our go-to is very often a quiz, like let's review flashcards and things like that. But there's so much that those tools can do. So I want to suggest using a digital solution called H5P. It stands for HTML5 package. HTML is the language that computers use to talk to each other over the internet. And the H5P is a fully open source platform shared under the MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology license. So it's truly free. And it offers more than 50 options to be it branching scenarios to, for example, simulate customer service interaction and troubleshooting in IT. You can hotspot an image where the students would have to identify the parts of an engine or a diagnostic tool in auto mechanics. Construction could use it to explore a construction site with a 360-degree virtual tour. But of course, I want to show you an example from the world of the culinary world. So you guys, I'm right there on the H5P site, and I'm going to start that interactive video. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but there's a little music going on. And when a question happens, I click on it. And what kind of berry is this? Strawberry. Am I right? Yes, I am. Continue. And as the video goes over, the questions pop up. Highlight the ingredients that have been added so far, strawberries and blueberries. Was I paying attention? Yes, I was. It's only a minute long, it won't be long. We're gonna be getting to the next one. Fill in the blanks. Strawberries and blueberries are mixed with milk and oatmeal cookies to make this delicious smoothie. Drag and drop quiz, drop the berries used in this recipes, blueberries and strawberries. Show the score. Got it again. Continue. Just want to go to the end because I want to show you that students can get instant feedback on what they've been doing, because there are going to be serving tips. Decorate with strawberries and blueberries right on top. And our last question is the summary. Then blueberries, strawberries, oatmeal, cookies, and yes. Choose the correct statement. So first add the berries. Correct answer statement, cookie crumbles. Use a couple of berries to decorate. And then I get to the end, and I'll have the summary of my learning. So if I'll close this, get back to my slides. There are a few things that I want to mention before I wrap up. Test the resources before, maybe with colleagues, before you share them with students. There is a learning curve into being able to develop this kind of tool, but it's definitely worth the effort because it creates a higher level of interactivity. But keep the interactivity purposeful. Don't remember those slideshows that we used to do 10 years ago where everything was moving all the time? Well, we realized that so much is not always necessary. And of course, keep reusing and adapting things that you've already used.